Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople. How do I wholesale a deal? Number one, marketing, guys. How are you going to generate leads? Right? There's a bunch of ways. Let's just go down the list. SMS, direct mail, SEO, that's search engine optimization, right? Google AdWords, Facebook marketing, cold calling. What else we got? Referrals, door knocking, driving for dollars. What else we got?
You hit like 15 off the top of your head, so I'm gonna go with those. Are all right for now to start with.
So pick one of those. If you're looking for something more economic because you're starting out, drive for dollars. Write those addresses on a list. Skip trace those addresses. You know what? Don't even skip trace. Write those addresses. Take a pen. Grab a notepad, handwrite these letters, buy some stamps, mail out, tell these people you want to buy their property.
Yeah, guys. And then from there, right, that's the marketing part. That's going to be the part that is going to get you in front of sellers. That's what you want marketing to do, get you in front of people that want to sell their property. Then you throw on your acquisition hat, and that's where it's like, okay, I got someone who maybe wants to sell their property. Now let me see if I can even buy this. That's when you're going to use whatever tactics or process you use. We use temp, which you could check out our past videos to find out more about what that is. But once I have a temp and the next steps in place, that's when I can kind of try to get this deal locked up as a wholesale deal or a flip, it doesn't matter. But the point is that's when I can actually use my process to see if we're a good fit and then try to get this deal locked up.
And now after you lock up the deal, let's say you're under contract, right? More importantly, and now because you're wholesaling it, now you got to get buyers in, right? How do we market for buyers? The easiest way to do that is hop on your Facebook. Let's say, I don't know, wherever you're. Let's say you're in Alabama. Just go to Facebook and write Alabama wholesale groups. You're going to get tons of them. And that goes for any state, any area. Join those groups. Tell someone, hey, I have a deal located at blah, blah, blah. Message me for details. You're going to get a bunch of people that are looking to buy. Some people that are looking to wholesale, grab your deal, steal your deal. But you're also going to find buyers as well. Get those buyers, get them in there. Negotiate with them, right? You're going back to acquisitions, but the other way around. Negotiate with sellers, negotiate with the buyers. Try to get as much as you can in terms of a wholesale fee, and that's it.
Yeah, guys, and if you want to be, Ronnie only gave me one way to find wholesale deals, I got you. You know what? You don't have Facebook. You don't want to use Facebook. Another way is call the local title companies that you guys know that somebody has used. Who is one of the buyers that has maybe closed on 4 properties this year, 2 properties this year, the most this year. Find out who that is, if they are actually investors and buying, and then now you just found a free way to contact investors and see if they would want to take on some of your deals. And guys, with that, I think that's, enough on how to wholesale a deal. Go get on the phones, figure it out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us. We're always available.
Yeah, and Jag already touched on temp, but definitely watch this video so you can kind of better your acquisition skills.
Boom.